Hey, welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. On this week's episode, I'm going to talk about winterizing your motorcycle. The steps I take to winterize my motorcycle to make it performing for me year after year. Stay tuned. Found another couple of lunatics to join me this weekend.
Yeah, man!
Hey.
It's gonna be awesome. I kind of started this video as being about winterizing your motorcycle.
Here we are.
This is how we winterize our motorcycles. So we're gonna head out 30 to Astoria. We're camping at Fort Stevens. It's gonna be an easy day, and I can't wait.
I hope you find something to love, something to do when you feel like giving up. A song to sing or a tale to tell, something to love, it'll serve you well. I was born in a tiny southern town. I grew up with all my family around. We made music on the porch on Sunday nights. Old men with old guitars smoking Winston lights. Old women harmonizing with the wind, singing softly to the Savior like a friend. They taught me how to make the chords and sing words. I'm still singing like that great speckled bird. I hope you find something.
All right, a few points. November is probably a little bit too late for a motorcycle camping trip. My base layer feels like it's made out of pink fiberglass insulation, so that's cool. I didn't wear enough shit. Pretty cold. Yeah, hopefully the other guys are faring pretty well, but I'm cold and wet. Looking forward to getting to camp and doing the fire. Check you later.
Something to do when you feel like giving up. song to sing or a tale to tell, something to love, it'll serve you well.
Finally got some nice weather. Stopping at Bubba's for a drink before we hit camp. Pretty shitty there for a little while, but kind of moist. Would seem my spirits have been picked up with the temperature, so feeling pretty good.
Tonight we're lying on a blanket in the yard. The wind is cold, the sky's dark, and the ground is hard. But your mama loves to count the stars at night. So if I get a little chill, then that's alright. I hope you find something to love, something to do when you feel like giving up. A song to sing or a tale to tell, something to love, it'll serve you well. You were born on a hot late summer day. We turned you loose and tried to stay out of your way. Don't quite recognize the world that you call home. Just find what makes you happy, girl, and do it till you're gone.
Yeah, just got checked in. Fucking sun's out. It's crazy.
Indeed.
I think only stupid people go motorcycle camping in November. So nice, turn you around.
I hope you find something to love, something to do when you feel like giving up. A song to sing or a tale to tell, something to love, it'll serve you well.
They look delicious.
Can't see myself. Where am I? Oh, I'm
You're
good.
Yeah, you're in frame. Babe on frame. Oh, there you are. Well,
It's a cold day.
it was cold. Wasn't the longest day we've had, but it was a hard day.
It was damp.
Damp, cold, windy, but
It's beautiful here.
beautiful now.
It was worth the ride getting here because this is nice.
Check
Old
us back
friends.
at 2 a.m.
Old-
Yeah, old friends and new roads.
roads. That's good.
That's very good. Nice choice here, Flo.
I did that. Was gonna shoot the whole thing
Smooth.
and then change my mind halfway.
Keep the aspirated on the beer a couple nights
did,
ago.
yeah.
He legit aspirated.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I think beer in my lungs for sure.
Yeah.
Much better though. I'm glad we're not the only tents here. I was thinking we were gonna be the only stupid people.
Well,
What's new? What's new?
Yeah.
There's
I mean,
plenty
it's
of
not-
tents.
Never a shortage of stupid
Yeah.
people.
yeah. I mean, this is the first place that we pulled into that we didn't get all the looks.
It's unfortunate.
Yeah, I was
like that
expecting.
part.
I do too.
Well, we didn't go very far though either.
Yeah, we
We
didn't
pretty
really
well
go
just
through it.
pulled in.
Who camps on motorcycles?
Right?
Well, we're
Yeah, the
here
guy
for
at
everyone
the-
to see now because it's right when you come in.
Yeah.
That's our first campsite there.
That-
We're near the camp host.
The guy at the booth was, just had to tell us he had a motorcycle. He just had to.
Oh yeah.
I saw him talking to you guys.
Kind of a brisk ride, huh? It's like, yeah, it was chilly. He goes, oh, you guys got the fairing. My Road King is not quite enough. Yeah, that's cool.
Nice flex, bro. Nice flex.
No, because he said the coldest he's ever ridden in was like 50.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Jeez.
fair weather to the max.
A balmy 52.
We'd
That'd
be
be nice.
skinned out, I think, if that were the case. Maybe at least one coat.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was super good. I'm glad we're here, though.
Yeah, me too.
yeah.
Cool site.
Yeah, it is cool.
Big.
Super big.
I wonder though if somebody will move in next door and
No,
they got
it's
that
like-
shit over there. Oh, I
Yeah,
know.
that's their shit over there.
Oh, very
Yep.
good.
So
What's this place?
go to the right, I guess.
Yeah.